Hello, this is Tom Stickleman and welcome to my course CNC Lathe Programming for Beginners. In this course I'm going to show you the very basics on how to use G-code to write your geometry for your 2-axis lathe. I'll show you how to use canned cycles to do rough facing, rough OD and ID turning, grooving and threading. We'll talk about how to format your program from top to bottom and also how to calculate constant service speed to maintain consistent service finish and to minimize your program cycle time. So why would you choose this course? Why would you choose me as your teacher? Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I have 32 years of manufacturing and machining experience, 7 years in aerospace, 4 years in tool and die, and 20 plus years running and programming CNC machines, anywhere from 2 to 6 axis lathes, 3 to 5 axis mills, wire EDMs, plunge EDMs, and screw machines. I've learned a few things on the way. I'd like to share them with you. I hope to see you in my course.